Hi, this is Randy from Go Big Parts. Hey, today we're gonna unwrap a new Caliber Pro 2.0 ramp. I just got it today. It is let's see, it's a 2.0. Works for quads and snowmobiles, and it's a little bit longer than my old one, so I'm hoping this one will work better. This is probably the best of the best as far as ramps go. So let's get this thing unboxed. First, I'll give you some dimensions here. It's got the low pro grip glides that are 11.5 inches. It fits ski stances down to 30-inch. It's got a strap to hold it in place, and it's retractable. It measures 7.5 foot or 90 inches. So, and it's got a 1,500 pound rating. So the longness of the ramp gives you a less severe angle, which makes it easier for loading, especially if you're loading a snowmobile with a pretty stiff carbides on it. Sometimes the steep ones you just can't get it up. So get it up on the ramp. So let's get this unboxed. I got a nice dull knife here, razor knife, so hopefully we can get her done. Okay, looks like we're gonna need a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm socket. I believe that's so we can put the strap in this bolt set up here to hold the strap. And there's another little tab here. Not sure what that's for yet, but I'm assuming maybe to rehook the strap to. We'll figure it out here in a minute. Let's get the tools. All right, we just installed the ratchet strap to this thing, and we're gonna unfold it and hook it up to the truck and see what it looks like. All right, looks like we can kind of just center these two rubber mounting tabs right on the tailgate itself, and then unfold the ramp. So something like that. Right now the ramp's still folded up. So to unfold it, we just release this pin. And it's kind of nice they give you a tether so you don't lose it. And then just unfold it. Another important piece of this is the ratchet strap. I think the best way to do this is to hook it right to where your trailer chains would normally hook. So I just need to figure out how to release the strap. Yeah, I'll pull it out. So it's like a normal ratchet strap, you just gotta open it all the way. So we hooked it there, and now we're gonna pull it tight. Kind of hard to do one-handed because I'm holding the camera, but you get the idea. That's nice. Nice and tight. So the idea behind that is it can't spit out off the tailgate. And the other idea is it kind of holds the tailgate down from flipping up too. So that's important because I bought a cheaper ramp the first time because I was worried about the length of the ramp sticking out of the truck, and so I bought a cheaper one which was shorter because I have basically a short box crew cab, and the box is like 5'8", I believe. So I bought a shorter ramp, which is right here. Cheaper ramp. Nice thing is it did come with 2 straps. The bad part is it's pretty short, so it's got a steep angle. I can kind of show you here. So if you look at that, the angle's quite a bit steeper. And then the other issue is it doesn't have the glides on it, so your carbides dig into the aluminum, which that's probably not a big deal. I could have overcome that and just buy some glides and screw them on. But there's 2 issues there. These aren't very big rods, so you'd have to drill a hole and screw into them, and I'm not sure how strong they would be when I got done. However, it did work well for I got an ATV right there. Sportsman 570. I did drive that up and on to the truck several times. It worked well, but I just think it's too steep for a snowmobile. Even if I put the glides on, I'd be very cautious that it might want to fold up the tailgate. So you can see where I crashed it at one point. It busted apart. It's really thin aluminum. I just put a splice in there and screwed it together, and like I said, I've loaded my ATV with it several times. It still works. But this setup here is a whole nother level. It's even got the little rubber feet so it can't slide away on you. It's just a way better ramp, and it costs more because of that, but I believe it's worth it. Might save your tailgate in the end. That's it for now. I'll show you another part of the video where I load and unload the sled. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna load my 2018 SKS onto the Caliber Ramp Pro 2.0 and show you how that works out. I just put a couple pieces of carpeting down on my tailgate because this truck's hasn't been used much. It's 2018, and I didn't really want to have my carbides cut through the plastic of the tailgate protector. So I'm gonna try the carpet and see how that works out. Okay, that was pretty uneventful, which is good. I'll show you another video where it wasn't. With the old style ramp. This one being longer really helps. Now I'm going to show you how I can fold this ramp up, put it in the truck, and bring it along with me. I've watched a lot of other videos where it did not show the ramp in the truck, which kind of kept me from buying it because I thought it might be too long for my truck. So I'm going to show that right now. Okay, you can see I got the ramp loaded in now. And one thing I did is I put a strap around the back side of the ramp here and hooked it to my cleat inside the truck and just tightened it up, so now it can't come out of the truck and it can't be bouncing off the side of the paint on my sled or anything, so keep my sled from getting scratched up. But as you can see, the sled sticks out further than the ramp, and the ramp is about even with the tailgate when it's down, so I would say that worked out pretty good. Now we're going to unload it and load an ATV so you can see how that process looks. Again, pretty uneventful. Even my carpet didn't fold up, which I thought it would do, so I did a nice job on protecting the plastic and the bed liner. So that's awesome. Next we'll do the ATV. Alright, what we're going to do now is load the ATV up into the truck. See how that goes. Alright guys, as you can see, this ramp's pretty easy to use. The easiest ramp I've ever used loading a truck. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a good purchase all in all. I'll put a link below in the description of where you can purchase or find this ramp on my website and purchase it. May even offer a coupon code for you guys that follow me and want to buy the ramp. As always, if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and that helps me determine if it's worth my time making these videos. So far, you know, I haven't made any money off of them or really even sold that much. So it just helps me know if these videos make an impact at all. So if you don't mind, like it, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.